Hello, and welcome to another lesson on Advanced Project Management. This lesson on Advanced Project Management Fundamentals will cover project governance and compliance. Effective project governance plays a pivotal role in determining the success of a project. However, the intricacies of project governance make it clear that a universal approach cannot be applied. Instead, project managers and teams must customize their governance strategies to align with specific needs. This customization encompasses organizational requirements, project intricacies, and legal reporting obligations. Project governance is the backbone, providing structure and guidance for achieving project objectives, the means to reach these goals, and methods for monitoring and controlling performance. Consequently, robust project governance ensures alignment between project objectives and organizational strategic and operational goals. There are three primary goals of project governance: selecting the right project, delivering the chosen project efficiently and effectively, and ensuring the sustainability and achievability of undertaken projects. Transparency and accountability emerge as critical themes in project governance. Transparency involves linking completed work, the manner of completion, and project outcomes. Accountability, closely tied to transparency, requires organizations and project teams to take responsibility for decisions made with stakeholders. These two themes are interconnected, with transparency being a prerequisite for establishing a straightforward accountability process. Consequently, project governance mechanisms hold the potential to shape both transparency and accountability, influencing not only the project's internal dynamics, but also broader aspects. Lastly, project governance is crucial in defining stakeholder relationships and documenting direct and indirect involvement in anticipated outcomes. Typically, project governance involves steps that can be executed linearly for straightforward projects or cyclically for more complex endeavors. This approach aligns with PMBOK's definition of project governance, characterizing it as an oversight function aligned with the organization's governance model and covering the entire project lifecycle. These essential components seamlessly integrate into the governance lifecycle, mirroring steps within the overarching project lifecycle. The cyclical project governance framework comprises 5 key phases: initiation, planning, execution of governance, monitoring and control, and closure and assurance. This stage defines the project governance requirements for supporting and directing the decision-making process throughout the project lifecycle. It involves establishing governance requirements, identifying individuals or groups to fulfill specific roles, for example, project sponsor, project owner, governance board committee, project team members, and initiating stakeholder engagement. The governance plan is outlined during this phase, and feedback, support, and consultation are sought. Stage 1 marks the inception of the governance process. This stage focuses on creating the project governance plan by determining metrics and baseline requirements. Governance plans encompass risk and issue management processes, including mitigation strategies, updating procedures, and steps to address unforeseen risks. Additionally, these plans consider quality, change, and performance management, along with the development of baselines for reporting and communication. I want you to know that stakeholder engagement and communication persist throughout this stage, ensuring updates are incorporated as necessary. Stage 2 defines the governance process's inclusions, exclusions, assumptions, and constraints. This stage outlines the execution and application of the governance process, implementing the plan in conjunction with the project management plan. Execution involves reporting project progress against the metrics and baselines established in Stage 2. Careful stakeholder engagement and communication management ensures timely reporting through various means such as meetings, co-design, or digital communication. Stage 3 embodies the execution of the governance process outlined in the planning and initiation stages. This stage details the ongoing monitoring and controlling process, extending from the execution stage. It involves following baselines, identifying issues, understanding their causes, and determining mitigation processes to realign the project. Stage 4 is dedicated to monitoring and controlling the established governance processes outlined in the preceding phases. The final stage marks the closure of the governance process, providing assurance and validation of its effectiveness and efficiency. Project stakeholders, including the project manager and team, identify gaps or areas for improvement in the process. Lessons learned are documented, highlighting successful aspects and areas for enhancement. Stage 5 represents the conclusion of the governance processes. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next